How to make mortgage payment on Wells Fargo app. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you guys how you can make mortgage payment using the Wells Fargo. The first thing you're going to have to do is search for the web browser or log in with your mobile application. Just tap on the official website and then tap on the sign in button to log into your account. Once you are logged in, enter your username and password to log into your account. And once you're logged in, there are a few methods that you can do. So the first one is automatic payments. So you can enroll in automatic payments to have your mortgage payment automatically withdrawn from your checking or your savings account. You can also choose the withdrawal date that aligns with your pay cycle, and this can be a convenient and secure way to ensure the timely payments. The other thing that you can do is online or mobile payments. You basically have to log into your Wells Fargo online banking account or use the mobile application and navigate your way to mortgage account details. Then you just have to make one-time payment or set up a recurring payment via the app or the browser. You could also do a payment by mail. You can mail a check or money order payable to Wells Fargo Home Mortgage and include your mortgage account number on the payment and your mail payment to the address provided on your billing statement. The other thing that you could also do is in-person payment. So you can visit a Wells Fargo branch nearest to you and make the payments to the teller. You could also use the ATM if it supports the payment. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.